Welcome
back!
Hey, alright, cool. I am glad to be back. Starting to smell real nice in the kitchen. So what have we gotten done so far?
We added some mushrooms, some onions, and some garlic. And now we're going to add all of this. This is for the last.
Okay, what is
for
that?
For garnishing.
Okay, for the garnishing? That's nice. Okay.
We're adding some bell peppers, some pineapple, which is really good for you. High protein, guys.
High protein, huh? Wow, I had no idea.
And
I thought it was just high in
more
vitamin
bell
C.
peppers,
Okay, alright,
some
cool.
spring onions,
Okay.
some tomatoes.
Okay, alright, let's see you do it. Alright. Alright.
Ooh. Looks so yummy. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Get into my belly.
Funny. Oh.
Nice.
Nice.
Alright.
Okay.
Now let's give it a big
Stir. Looks so yummy. I want to eat it.
Oh, that looks fresh. That looks nice.
Look at fresh masala. Hi. Now we're gonna add some red wine vinegar.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
It's so cold.
All right. Okay. All right. Toss it in. All right. That looks like it's good enough. Nicely done. Ooh. Stir it around. Bring the taste out, huh?
Oh, that smells so good.
Let's add just a tad bit more.
All right.
Yeah, enough.
Okay. That's enough.
That looks good. Alright.
Now it's gonna bring the taste up. Now we're
Okay. Well, I think the fire went out. You may want to start the fire again.
Oh no.
That's all right. Here.
Oh no.
There we go. Let's start the fire back up again.
Use this machine. Remember, kids, be careful with fire.
All right.
Okay, do it again.
Ooh.
There we go.
Whoa, that's
All right.
great.
We have to do it one more time.
Wait.
It's not working.
Ooh,
There we
you
go.
There,
All
got it.
right. We have fire. And now just
We
need
have
to
a few
saute all
fire.
that. Move it around
Saute
a
it
bit.
again, and then we'll be back for the last step.
Okay. Wow. That's a nice.
And then we're gonna add the sear fish.
Okay. Perfect.
Peace.